Hi everyone, it's Katie from Paradise Falls family. In today's video, we'll be doing a short hotel review covering the Crowne Plaza Stevenson Quarter in Newcastle. This is a brilliant city centre hotel and a great option if you're visiting Newcastle. If you're new to our channel, we're a family of 4 who love to travel the world together, and we create informative family travel vlogs. We cover the places we've visited and show our own experiences, with the aim of helping you make the most of your trip. We've covered loads of places already, from Europe to North America to Asia, so make sure to subscribe and check out some of these videos. You can also find us on Instagram, TikTok, and we have our own website, www.adventuresxparadise.com, which has travel guides and our top tips. So back to today's video on the Crowne Plaza. Here we'll cover the hotel itself and its facilities, its location, some of the things you can get up to around the hotel, as well as the rooms themselves. I've bookmarked the sections so you can find your way around and skip to the bits most useful to you. We booked this hotel just for Greg and I on this occasion as we were in Newcastle. There are many great hotels here, but we always lean towards the IHG group. We love their range of hotels and are part of the Ambassador Club, which we'd encourage anyone to check out as it's great value to join and you get lots of great perks including free upgrades and drinks on check-in. Their free loyalty scheme is fantastic too, and with the points accrued over the years, we've had many free nights and stays. While our undoubted favourites in their range of brands are Intercontinentals, we thought we'd give the Crowne Plaza a try as this hotel had great reviews. The Crowne Plaza Newcastle is a modern upscale hotel in the heart of the city, known for its stylish rooms, excellent spa facilities and convenient location, handy for most key sites in the city. It's a great choice for both business and leisure stays, with good dining options and meeting spaces. We were visiting just for the night to spend a bit of time in the city and enjoyed a great stay here. The hotel itself is located in the Stevenson Quarter, just behind the train station, sandwiched between here and Newcastle's famous quayside. It's very easy to walk to both, making it handy for spending some time down by the water, seeing the famous Tyne Bridge, popping over to the Sage Theatre or heading into the city centre itself, just a really short walk away. The Newcastle Arena is also only a short walk away. In fact, our room had views to the arena, so it's really handy if you're attending a concert or event here. We spent most of our time in the centre, shopping, and we popped up to St James Park too, so it's handy if you're here for a football match. Don't miss the Stack just outside of the stadium, which has a great collection of food stands and street food options, particularly if you want to watch a game here. The atmosphere was absolutely great. In terms of getting to the hotel, being so close to the train station, it's incredibly handy for this. But it also has parking right next door in the multi-storey. This is really easy to access and you get a reduced rate of £10 per night if you pay at the hotel. Moving on to the rooms themselves. There are loads of different room types on offer, including queens, kings, with and without a rain shower, sofa beds and lounge access, all the way up to junior and 1-bedroom suites. All look really comfortable and really reasonably priced. We opted for a queen standard and got a Saturday night here for around £180. We were upgraded slightly to a rainfall shower room, and our room was really lovely. Very spacious with a really comfortable bed and a nice view over the city out to the arena. The room was well kept, clean and very quiet with no sound pollution at all. The bathroom was also nice and spacious and the rainfall shower lovely. So overall, a really comfortable stay. So we're room number 523 on the 5th floor. And we booked a king room with sofa bed. They did say we'd been upgraded when we checked in. It is still a king room with a sofa bed. I think maybe it's a corner room, so that's the difference. But yeah, into the room. Nice big desk area there. Oh, got some biscuits, tea and coffee making, some glasses and a bottle opener there. Oh, got some plugs. Side of the bed, a nice big king bed there. Got plugs on the other side as well with USBs, which is always nice. And then some lovely corner views here out into Newcastle. Nice big TV, a little chair and table there. And then swinging round to the sofa bed. There's only 2 of us staying tonight, so this isn't made up. We don't need the sofa bed. And then a lovely picture of Newcastle there. Yeah, really nice sized room, really clean, quite modern. Really impressed. See what's under here. Some cupboard space. Oh, complimentary items in the minibar it says. Oh, we've got some water. But yeah, little fridge as well if you want to keep your stuff nice and cool. Just look in this cupboard here. So this has got some wardrobe space. It's got an ironing board. Not got an iron, but I'm sure you could ask if you... Oh, the iron's there. Just didn't spot it. Hairdryer. Safe. It's got a light in as well, which is quite nice. And into the bathroom. Lovely and clean. It seems really modern, this hotel. I think it's probably quite new. So we've got a lovely bath there. Got the towels, look, nice towels, nice fluffy towels. It's got a body wash, conditioner and shampoo. Got the hand wash and body lotion there as well. Nice big mirror and a magnifying mirror there as well. And then it's got the toilet and it's got a separate shower as well, which is quite nice. It's not over the bath. Got all of your shampoo and body wash and everything there again. This is the view. So that's the hotel itself, which is blocking. The city is kind of behind that, so we've not got the best view in this room. But you can see the Centre of Life Museum over there. And then I think if you look out this way, yeah, you can see Newcastle Arena as well. You can see it's really sunny at the moment, but you can see it just in the distance there. Then if you didn't fancy going out, they do have a room service menu as well. Let's have a look what's on that. So we've got snacks and nibbles, things like olives, got starters, they've got chicken wings, cauliflower wings, pate, salads, Caesar salad, main courses you've got things like steak, sausage and mash, noodles, pizza, chicken tikka masala, a vegetarian curry, sandwiches as well, so there's a cheese and onion sandwich, a ham sandwich, burgers as well. Oh, it's got like a Quorn burger alongside the beef burgers, then lots of side orders and some desserts. Don't think that's too badly priced. Pizzas are £16-17, burgers similar. Not horrendous for room service. Does look like it does lots of things for allergies as well. terms of dining, the hotel has a great on-site restaurant. We didn't get a chance to try this, but it looks really nice and apparently also has a great breakfast. We did have a drink though in the new gin bar, which was really lovely, and we'd highly recommend trying, particularly if you have the free IHG drink vouchers. In addition to all of this, the hotel comes with a lovely spa, complete with a gym and indoor swimming pool. The pool was full when we popped down, but it does look great as you can see from the website. So that's our hotel review of the Crowne Plaza Stevenson Quarter in Newcastle. Hopefully this was useful in helping you plan your own stay. If there's anything at all we've missed or any question you would like to ask, then please just let us know in the comments below and we'll always do our best to help. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel as it really makes a huge difference to us. We've got lots more videos coming soon, including our upcoming Disney cruise through the Panama Canal, which we're all really excited for. We've got lots of videos already on our channel and information on our website, so check those out for more family-based travel guides. Thank you all so much for watching.